Hello and welcome to another training video for using the Signet database to produce carcass trait reports. So first of all, if we head to signetdata.com, this has already logged me in, but as a breeder you would head to your usual login as if you were going to upload any data onto the website. So then if we go along the menu bar at the top and head to the reports tab, and then we can go down to breed summary sheep. So here we can see we've got two options for producing carcass trait reports. The first one is to produce PDFs, and the second one is an electronic file, so looking to export it to CSV or Excel. So if we have a look at the PDF version first, so it'll bring you up to this page. So here we can filter by the age of the sire. So I'm just going to set it back to 1990 because then it'll get all rams that have been used on Ram Compare. We can then use this to filter by traits, or whether we want to look at the overall index, so looking at lamb value. So today I'm just going to sort by lamb value. We can select a breed, so I'm going to pick Charolais, and then we can put in a minimum number of progeny abattoir records here, so I'm going to put in 15, and then press Run Report. So this now highlights all of the Charolais rams that have been used on Ram Compare, and ranking them by lamb value. So if we press Produce Report, then it will bring up a PDF. So here we go, we can see the top ranking Charolais rams based on lamb value. And as we scroll down, then we can see all of the rams that have been tested. Now if you wanted to filter by a individual breeding trait, then we can do that. So whether we wanted to filter by days to slaughter, and similarly you can press Run Report. Equally we can select to change breed, so here we go, we could have a look at Hampshire Downs and we can run the report here. Produce report, open it up from downloads, and here we go, we can see rams that rank highly in Ram Compare within the Hampshire breed based on the days to slaughter EBV. So we can see here this Thorbeck ram at the top. So that just gives you a little bit of an idea as to the reports that you can produce as a PDF and the different ways of filtering the data. If you wanted to have another look at other options of deciphering the data and analysing it a little bit more, then we can look to produce an electronic report. So we use the same parameters here for Charolais and press Run Report. We'll then can turn it into an Excel file, so we can then download it. And this will enable us, we can apply some filtering, so we can look to filter the headers. We put filter there, so then at the moment it's sorted by lamb value, but if we were looking to sort by carcass conformation, for example, then we're able to do that within this report. So we can have a good play and look at the data. We can also apply conditional formatting. So this is where we can apply colours to the data. So based on the figure, it will affect the colour. So we can see from green right through to red, so it's like a traffic light system. So we can see those sires that rank highly for the days to slaughter trait are there in green. And we can continue this across looking at other data as well. So we can stick it in for carcass weight as well. So conditional formatting, colour scales, and then select that, so we can see that those animals that rank highly for carcass weight EBV. So that just gives you a bit of an idea of the reports that can be produced for these abattoir traits straight from the Signet database. And now these are part of the terminal sire evaluation. This information is updated monthly. So as more data feeds into the analysis and goes through the BLOP analysis, we're then able to produce monthly updated abattoir trait reports. So I hope you found this training video useful, and if you've got any questions or need any further assistance, then please get in touch with one of the Signet team and they will be able to help you.